let's get into this Pilates body, booty, and core workout. 8 exercises under 30 minutes. Keep in mind, I'm not a professional, so I do have to work on my form with some exercises. But if you like content like this, I have a playlist on my channel. Let's do this daily and we will see some results. Get into it. You got this.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey, the earnings, the task to the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah. Blessings fall by my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they love to be Lord. One time, kids sit down in a class and we board that only see the road and me go on with the road. Word for me, say me tired thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credits and you sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the higher ring like hello, brother. Say I just shut down. Saw you post a spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul. Yeah, balling and live, man. Me up with thank God for the journey, the earnings, and just to the plus. Yeah. My gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall by my right hand. But I toast to the friends that they love to be road. One time, kids sit down in a class and we board them. Only sit the road and we go on with it, go on with it. That's what blessings upon me. And say me fi tell them the story. That's what blessings upon me. And that's how I made to give him the glory. I'm in the light. You know some of passion ignited. But the music get me excited. I'm coming like a boss. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey, the earnings, the task to the plus. Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall by my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they love to be Lord. One time, kids sit down in a class and we board them. Only sit the road and we go on with the road. To us, to us. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey, the earnings, the task to the plus. guess you wonder where I've been. I search to find the love within. I came back to let you know, got a thing for you, and I can't let go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a daze from your love, see. I came back to let you know, got a thing for you, and I can't go. Some people go around the world for love, but they may never find what they can dream of. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. And in my world, only you make me do for love when I would not. Now my friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a day when your love see. Now I came back to let you know, got a thing for you, and I can't go. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. And in my world, only you make me do for love what I would not do. go on with it. Do us. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing they are reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey, the earning, the task to the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, blessings fall on my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they club to me load. One time kids sit down in a class and we pour that only see the road and me go on with the road. Third form is a very tired thing, and you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credits and you sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the higher ring like hello, brother. Say I just shut down, saw you post a spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul to your body and live, man. Me up with thank God for the journey, the earning, the just to the plus. Yeah, but gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall on my right hand. But I toast to the friends that they club to me load. One time kids sit down in a class and we pour that only set the road and me go on with it, go on with it. That's what blessings upon me. And send me if you tell them the story. That's what blessings upon me. And that's how I made it give him the job. Me, I'm in the light. You know some passion ignited. Got the music get me excited. I'm coming like a boss. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey, the earning, the task to the plus. Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall on my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they club to me load. One time kids sit down in a class and we pour that only set the road and me go on with the road. Do us. Do us. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey, the earning, the task to the plus. Gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall on my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they club to me load. One time kids sit down in a class and we pour that only set the road and me go on with the road. Do us.
Well, you made it to the end of the video. Pat yourself on the back for working on you today, trying to win over that summer body, actually for everybody. But excuse me for acting crazy. We was setting this up in the beginning, just trying to figure out what we was doing. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, nothing is perfect, but I'm going to keep doing videos like this, faith, fashion, lifestyle, everything. So make sure you check out my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Y'all have a great one and stay blessed. Love you. Bye.
The sun is shining.